Hello and hi to sweet viewers of Easy Health Tips. I'm Dr. Sheen and you are watching your all-time favorite YouTube channel Easy Health Tips. Before moving towards our today's topic, I request you to subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get latest videos first of all. So let's start our today's topic.
Medical applications of snake venom. They are among the world's deadliest and most feared creatures. Their unblinking gaze is piercing, and the venom they inject into their prey or foes can come in a variety of deadly forms. I'm talking of course about snakes. With over 700 different species of venomous in the different world areas, 250 of these are capable of killing. Their toxic venom can cause your nervous system shut down, while others can cause blood clotting and severe bleeding as well. As deadly as they may be, many have surprisingly powerful medical benefits. Let's take a look at some of the words and how their venom is regularly used to save lives. This is Brazilian pit viper. Researchers 1970 observed that plantation Brazilian pit viper collapsed with crashing blood pressure. Scientists took venom and separated the pressure lowering component. A modified synthetic version is now used by FDA approved drug to treating high blood pressure. The drug is called captopril, also reduces the risk of heart failure after a heart attack. Southern eastern pygmy rattlesnake has potent venom, severe bleeding in its prey. One of its toxins has been developed into a drug which risk of having sudden heart block, sticking together preventing the blood clots that can cause heart attacks and strokes. The venom protein from the African sock-scaled viper has familiar effects. Medical tests indicate that small dosages of the venom to dissolve stroke-related blood clots and prevent new clots from forming. It has also effects related against cancer. Cancer cells to commit suicide. Researchers enhanced the unique combination to create a cancer treatment called CB24, which kill tumor cells, studying snake venom as potential painkillers. Researchers have determined that two molecules isolated from the black are effective as morphine in the elimination of pain. Another toxin of the venom of king cobra had 20 times greater morphine than morphine effect. With zero side effect, black mamba snake can kill a person with 2 drops of its venom. Its potency resides in its neurotoxins, which impair central nervous system. Fascinated by how chemical bind so tightly nerves, researchers are investigating how these chemicals work in order to diseases break down the brain, such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. A venom is not a single compound, but a cocktail of natural toxins. A single snake venom can contain 20 to 30 toxins or up to 100 toxins. So far, researchers fully understand only a few of these compounds in snake venom, so there may be many.
Alright viewers, have we finished the topic? You can give us your precious feedback in the comment section below. And don't forget to share this video with your fellows. Also subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to show your love and support. Thank you. We'll be right back tomorrow with a new and interesting video. Till then, take care of yourself, your friends and family. Bye bye.